Welcome to CycleSphere, where every twist of the throttle tells a story. Today, we're unwrapping one of the most exclusive superbikes ever made, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4 Lamborghini. Born from a collaboration between two Italian powerhouses, only 630 units hit the road, plus 63 even more bespoke Speciale Clienti editions. Outwardly, this Panigale wears a full carbon fiber fairing with exposed twill weave, inspired by the Lamborghini Revuelto ad personam. The forged aluminum wheels mirror the supercar's rim design, while bespoke winglets and a single-seat tail section sharpen its aerodynamic profile. Slide into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a 6.9-inch TFT display, 1280 by 480 px, with key ride data and lap timers. Controls include a full suite of ride-by-wire modes, and the machined billet triple clamp proudly shows your bike's unique serial number. Power comes from a 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale V4, tuned to 160.7 kilowatts, 218.5 horsepower, at 13,500 RPM for the global model. That titanium alloy Akrapovic exhaust not only sharpens the soundtrack but helps the bike hit just 408 pounds wet weight, no fuel, for a blistering power-to-weight ratio. Throttle response is instant, revving to 13,500 RPM with 122.1 Newton-meters, 90.1 lb-ft, of torque at 11,250 RPM. With a seat height of 33.5 in, the riding position is aggressively sporty, but the cut-and-sewn seat trim uses Lamborghini's own interior fabric for a hint of cabin luxury. Foot pegs and controls are fully adjustable billet aluminum, while the clip-on bars keep you sculpted into the chassis. Braking is entrusted to Brembo monoblock Hyper 4-piston calipers on dual 330mm discs, complete with Ducati Race eCBS for cornering ABS. Tires are Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SPV4S front, 120/70 and rear, 260/17, for maximum grip. Add in Ducati traction control, wheelie control, slide control, engine brake control, and launch control, and you've got pro-level electronics at your fingertips. Ducati recommends a 12,000 km/12-month service interval, reflecting the bike's race-bred engine. Carbon and titanium parts require specialist care, but Ducati backs you with a 24-month warranty on all factory components. The Panigale V4 Lamborghini starts at $78,400 US, 88,800 Canadian dollars, globally. For Lamborghini owners only, the Speciale Clienti edition opens at $100,400 US, allowing bespoke paint to match your supercar and including a matching Arai helmet, Danish jacket, and leather race suit. Each owner gets a numbered certificate, a custom wooden shipping crate, a livery-matched rear stand, and a dedicated cover. Track-focused extras include a billet racing fuel cap, brake duct kit, open clutch cover, and license plate removal set, all in a personalized box. In this stratosphere, rivals include the BMW M1000 RRM competition and Kawasaki Ninja H2 Carbon, but neither carries the same Lamborghini pedigree or exclusivity. Where those bikes top out at a few hundred units, this Panigale lives on supercar terms, built in the same zip codes as the world's most coveted hypercars. The 2026 Ducati Panigale V4 Lamborghini isn't just a bike, it's a statement. With only 630 plus 63 hand-assembled examples, Italian super engineering, and one of the highest power-to-weight ratios you'll find, it stands alone as the ultimate two-wheeled masterpiece. Enjoyed this deep dive? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, that way you'll never miss CycleSphere's next exclusive review. Drop your questions or dream bike matchups in the comments, and we'll see you on the next ride.